Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get dynamic wallpaper on iPhone and iPad. So basically what you're gonna do first, let's open up the settings, okay? And then basically just go ahead and click the accessibility button, right? Basically you're gonna notice that multiple tools. Basically go ahead and click the motion button right here, and basically what you're gonna do next, it's a crucial step, ensure that to reduce motion option is turned off, okay? This feature can limit animations including our dynamic wallpapers, so make sure it is disabled. After adjusting the motion settings, return to the main setting, right? Now what you're gonna do, scroll a little bit down till you see wallpaper. Go ahead, select it, and then in the wallpaper section you're gonna see a preview of your current lock screen and home screen wallpaper, right? To change it up, tap on click or add the new wallpaper button right here, right? And basically you're gonna see a list of wallpapers, and you can scroll through them to find your wallpaper, your appropriate wallpaper. And you're gonna notice after you after you upgrade to iOS 18, you're gonna notice a dynamic and different and unique wallpapers that you can use for your lock screen, right? Once you've located the dynamic wallpaper, start swiping through the section available. Each wallpaper features vibrant colors that shift dynamically, hence their name. So let's select the dynamic, let's try to pin down the iOS 18, yeah, that one. So let's say for example I'm gonna select that one, right? And basically I can make sure it says dynamic, right? Let me azure, purple, pink, yellow, dynamic. Okay, make sure that you set it on dynamic, just like the color name, like yellow or pink, depending on the color that you prefer. That's called dynamic. We change it to dynamic so we can have the different colors for our lock screen, our lock screen preview. So after you hit add at the top right here, right, you're gonna just set it as your home screen right here, and basically that's it. That basically it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.